look at the reality of the world. There is a law, and sabi ko, hindi ito madala ng barilan. It has to be resolved. The root cause really is, it thrives best on issues about land reform or the absence of land of so many people. And the communists are exploiting it. Mag-create sila ng federation ng mga farmers, then they go about looking for vacant lands and taking over plantations. Sinabi ko nga yung okupasyon, and I warned you that if you do that, my order to the police and the military is to physically evict you, and if you do anything that is wrong and place the lives